And here they are.
The Brick Twins!
Back to the Brick Twins! And today we're going to be building set 60439. This is the Space Dining Club. And this year, since they've been doing like the space stuff on the side, this is our fourth set. But we do have a spaceman over here. This is the blue spaceman, super cool. And they even have the space logo on it as well.
And this is mine, the red spaceman. I really love him. He's super cool.
And this set comes with 560 pieces for $34.99. I think it's just an amazing price tag for that. You can see there's an astronaut with the wheelchair, and there's an alien and another astronaut and like a dark blue helmet. You can see you can connect it with set 60434, which is like the giant space station with the airport tower on it. And there's all sorts of other pictures of the interior detail inside. Let's get this thing unboxed. So there is there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bags, and there's also these big like translucent pieces that have the little hinge on the back so you can connect it to the clip. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 instruction booklets and a small sticker sheet. Let's get building. So we just finished the Space Science Lab. This set, I feel like it's so underrated. And it comes with 3 characters because we also have the little alien. And then there's also a space shuttle in this set in a cool building. So it's gonna start with the alien. It's kind of like a mini doll base, but it's not really. You can connect the minifig head on there. And then there's like a super cool helmet, my favorite blue color and probably my favorite color of Lego, and also some white down there. I really like the alien head they use. And then right here is the wheelchair guy. He is in a super cool new wheelchair, I think. I really like this design. He has some epic print detailing in the front and also some pretty cool but not as good in the back. I also like his pant print detailing as well. It looks really amazing. And I really like this green color. Next, in our final character minifigure stash, I guess, is this lady space woman. I love the dark blue she uses. In her backpack, you actually put a stud on that. I don't really know if you could try to put something back there or not. Print detailing is also pretty epic on this. You can't see the back, but the leg detailing is also pretty good. And then here is the astronauts, or the wheelchair astronauts space shuttle. And it's really cool. It's like a screen and some orange, like trying to imitate fire coming out. And all you have to do is put his wheelchair on the craft. Woo! It's so cool. I really like how they included this space little mobile for the wheelchair guy. And then these are 4 modules on the set. Of course, you can see how it closes. So we're gonna like detail through each one and close it as we go. So the first one here is this little hovercraft charging station. So there's like a whole station right here, has some charging liquids, and you can come in this little hovercraft and park it, and they can get charged. of course, I guess he could be on if he wanted, but usually when it's on, he can probably be somewhere else, like the lab or something. I just love how they added this because you have something that's electric, but then where you're gonna charge it. So it's very realistic how they did that. I really love that thought. Okay, so the next one we have here is a bedroom for our astronauts. I don't really know what this is. I don't know if it's like a shower, because it kind of looks like one. But right here is a bed, and our astronauts can lay on it. I think it's specially meant for the wheelchair guy, but I guess if you took the book bag off, you could put it on the lady astronaut. There was also it looks like a basketball hoop here, and a little microwave, I don't know, refrigerator, microwave. There's like a coffee mug on there as well. A lot of cool interior detail for their living space. And then this area right here is where you connect it with the big space set. Right here, so you can connect 60434 and 60439. I really like how they did that. I think that's really cool. So if you have that one set, you can connect it and it's not like all scattered. They did that using the Lego airlock piece. And then this is kind of basic over here, but then it's actually connected to this big like astronic plant that has a ton of these crystals on it, some really cool flower techniques that they used. I like how they added this. It just adds some structural support to it, but also has some detail on the inside of it. The last and final one here is a little like entranceway that the astronauts can get in. There's like a little device that kind of like scans the astronaut to make sure it's actually an astronaut coming in. There's also a really cool door mechanism as well that you can open and close, and astronauts can go inside. So there it is closed. And one more detail on the set is that I'm pretty sure these things could unfold. They just come off, but you can get a better cool interior look in there. But we're not going to show you guys that. You guys are going to have to buy the actual set to see for yourself. This is an amazing, underrated set. I think I love this set. It's so cool, comes with super cool minifigures, and it's a really cool story behind it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode on the Brick Twin.